Hello, and welcome to a new week. Remember, we are still in Unit 2, getting a job, and we are now in week 7, job interviews. Let's see what we have to do for today. Day 1, Monday, March 22nd. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have two activities in Async. The first activity is a Nearpod grammar lesson on the present perfect tense. There are a few ways you can do the Nearpod. You can do it in here, or you can click the little button here, the square with the arrow. It makes it into full screen. Type your name and then click Join Lesson, present perfect tense. As you go through, read and take notes, read and take notes, read and take notes. Then you have an open-ended question, and you have this picture to click, and it says what part of speech are the blue words, what part of speech are the yellow, what part of speech are the green words. And you click here and type your answer. Now, part of speech, is it a noun, a verb, auxiliary verb? Is it an adjective? Is it an adverb? Is it an interjection? Is it a conjunction? All right, so that is what you're typing here. And then you click submit. Remember, you cannot continue unless you do something. Take notes, read and take notes, read and take notes, read and take notes, read and take notes, continue to do the same, and you have another open-ended question. Okay. Remember to answer before you continue. You have this video to watch, and then you read and take notes, and then this is a matching. So you have a question and you'll match it to the answer. And then you take a quiz, and then remember to answer your questions, and then that's it for the Nearpod. Your second activity is you are going to complete page 28 and 29 in your book. So you will have an article to read on starts on page 28, and here's the audio for the article. Then you'll complete B. Remember, what is the main idea of the entire article and which lines helped you find that answer. After you complete B, you will do part 3, A and B. So I suggest you just take a picture of everything at once instead of two separate pictures, and then post it, upload and post it in the comment section. It is a Monday, so we have class together on Zoom, and we have quite a few things to do. So we will do page 28. We will do a Kahoot with conjunction, so please have your cell phones with you, and then we'll practice identifying parts of introductory paragraph and do a little author's purpose practice. So we do have a lot to do for today. And that's it. Good luck.